Welcome to another Home Economics online class. Today we're going to be making jacket potato with salad. And a link to the recipe is below. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 180 or gas mark 4. And here is the ingredients that you will need. 1 potato, small piece of bacon, a little bit of cheese, salt and pepper, parsley if possible, a tomato, lettuce, small piece of carrot, a stick of celery, and a small piece of cucumber, and 1 spring onion, 1 egg, let's begin by washing the potato. Rub it under the cold tap and remove any dirt. The potato needs to be very clean because you will be eating the skin. Prick the potato with a fork. Place a paper towel over the top of the potato just to keep the microwave clean. Press clear and then microwave for approximately 7 minutes. Test the potato with a fork. There shouldn't be any resistance when you push the fork into the potato. Now place the potato in the preheated oven to keep it warm, and it'll also crisp up the outside. So next, the hard-boiled egg. So place the egg in a saucepan of cold water. Make sure the egg is covered and bring the water to a boil. Set the timer for 8 minutes. Turn down the heat to very low, or the lowest setting. And then after 8 minutes, remove the egg and place in cold water. And this will prevent a dark ring from forming around the egg. Next, we're going to fry the bacon. Add a little bit of butter or oil to the frying pan. Melt the butter and then add the bacon. Again, medium to low setting, and you're going to fry the bacon on each side for approximately 3 minutes. Flipping halfway. Now prepare the salad. Make sure you wash everything. Knife skills. You're going to Van Dyke the tomato. And here's a demonstration like this. So cut zigzags into the tomato. You need to go just past halfway when you put the knife into the tomato. go over it again if it doesn't pull apart easily. Inserting the knife just a little bit further. There you go, that's called Van Dyke. Now prepare the egg. Tap the egg gently all around and then remove the shell. Slice the egg. Now prepare the carrot. Remove the carrot top. Peel the carrot and grate the carrot like this. You could prepare your salad as you go, as shown. Top and tail the cucumber. Place your hand like a bridge and put the knife in between, keeping your fingers out of the way, and cut the cucumber across and then again. Now hold your fingers like a claw and gently chop into small even pieces. Or you could put all the salad together in one bowl like this. You could tear the lettuce. Now the spring onion. Remove the top and remove the scraggy edges. The white part of the spring onion is the best part of the spring onion, but you can also eat the green part. Prepare by peeling away the top layer. Make sure you've washed it as well, and then I like to cut diagonally. Don't forget to use a chopping board. And add some onion to your mix. You may want to keep some for later. Now chop the celery. Chop off the scraggy end, and I like to just neaten. And again, using your hand like a bridge, cut it in half lengthways, and then using your hand like a claw, chop into small even pieces and add some celery. Now wash and chop the parsley. Again, keep your fingers out of the way, place your hand on top of the knife, and using a rocking action you're going to cut the parsley, and you're going to use the same knife skill with the bacon, chopping it into very small pieces. Now putting it all together, remove your potato using an oven mitt from the oven and cut across into the top of the potato. Then if it's hot, use 2 paper towels and squish the potato so that the potato oozes out of the top. I like to add a little bit of butter, which is optional. Add some sour cream. You could add a little bit of salt and pepper. although you are using bacon, which is very salty. And sprinkle with your chopped parsley on top of the potato, and then add the salad to the side. Now add the tomato. Add the egg. Sprinkle with cheese and serve. Enjoy! You've been watching another one of the Home Ec Online classes.